Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So to start off the day, I was fixing some work. One of the apprentices did some work. They were zip tying the MC. So the guy in charge wanted me to go back and fix it because it was kind of wavy and it was kind of exposed along this bottom beam right here. So I went ahead and clipped it down, as you can see on the very bottom right there. I made it as straight as possible. The wire was already cut and made up, so it was zip tied, and I went back and cut all the zip ties and clipped it. So that's what it looks like right there. So that took several hours. So it turned out pretty decent. And then after that, I went through and wired these last rows of lights. I think it was starting here. So I ran MC down all the way to the end, and then I started down there, stuck the wire in the box, and then just left a loop there for the box, left a loop there, and then ended it right there. And then I don't know if I started hanging boxes and putting the wire in the box, or if I finished that last jump between there and then went back and did that. So finishing up these lights, I think there's only a few left that the boss said. So just going through, tying all the wires together. I don't know if you can see it. So that one right there on the ceiling, just grounds to grounds, neutrals to neutrals, hots to hots. And I think that was that it? I feel like I'm missing something. I think that was it. Just fixing this wire, pulling the wire from there to there. Oh, and there's also a wire between there and there. And then making up the lights, or stuffing the wire in the box, and then going through and making up the lights. So it was a super easy day, and it went by so fast. Can't believe it's already been 8 hours, but I'm gonna head home. Yeah, it's just like days like these that like make me think, like, if every day was this easy, I could do this for the rest of my life. I would definitely love to work in a warehouse, or warehouse jobs forever. It would just make my life. But anyways, super great day, and hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by. 10% battery, okay. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll probably start the giveaway on Monday, and if we get to 1,000 subscribers next week, Friday, then I'll do like a huge giveaway of like $100 or $200 drill set. But if not, if we don't make it by then I'll just do like the normal $30 to $40 tool giveaway. So I'll basically just have the giveaway going until I hit 1,000 subscribers next week, Monday. So that's when it'll start, and then there will be a separate video for it. Just follow the rules and it'll be simple. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. And I'm just doing the giveaway, trying to get the subscribers up to 1,000 so I can live stream for you guys while I'm on my road trip. For your benefit, it'll be fun and keep me entertained. And other than that, I could care less when I get 1,000, but that's why. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See you later. Peace out.